welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. And Dwayne is speaking. He's sending a message to who we call Black Screen. And he's saying that basically that this is the reason why he cursed. And he is okay. Dwayne is saying that, basically this person and him, they're on benefits, and that's the reason why they can't do certain things. So you have to go catch a video to hear what Dwayne has to say about this person. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post you know about it. For all my lovelies out there celebrating their birthdays today, I wish you the peace that surpasses all understanding. I wish you joy. I wish you prosperity for your new year, for your year, as you grow into something more beautiful. And for all my other lovelies and supporters, my friends, my followers, my subscribers, do have yourselves a wonderful day today. Bye.
My life is fine as is. I'm thriving by myself. None of you help me. I help myself. Maybe when I got TikTok on a ton pan me, when I come with a class me, come out couple class, and the thing was going over here. So okay, cool. I left all of you alone. I left one alone. I go to a whole different side of TikTok. And they embrace me, and I embrace them back too. What is the issue? Get a damn grid. That Jamaica when they come like she want to come spoil my name. So what I'm cuss after one what so, right? And direct them to go find video on Facebook. Like they want to come cruise from pan TikTok. I say, when I say my class side too. I said that that way. And my friend them we are still fine. Today we are fine. Them know how I stay. I'm more class them to trouble me. And them know to don't provoke me. I don't like it. I don't like to be. Listen, provocation is a hell of a thing. But tell if you do that and beat me, do that and beat me, do that and win me. And my work attire, I gotta walk, do that and win me. A damn idiot. I love your point to come cuss, because I run up a big so amount. You don't know better. You don't know. In fact, you have no. You don't have no career. The only career you will ever know is come out here and cuss for people and class woman. So you can make a mistake. So you can get a $5, a $10, a $100. That's all the career you will ever know. You pray to God, social media don't lock down, because if they lock down, you're gonna suffer. You. I'm gonna ask me, I tell you, come off my back. I tell you, monetize your YouTube. Show me so you can monetize it and collect money. In fact, next month, monetize it now and collect your money. Pan February the 19th, about the 19th, and then like money on YouTube. Collect your money pan February the 19th to the 21 about them time there, and put out your pay stub. That if you do that and tell me that if you do that, I delete. I'll bow down to you. Do that. Prove me wrong. Prove me say me I tell lie pie. You say all the benefits. Prove to me say you legit is not on benefits. Do that. Monetize your channel and collect money for the 19th to the 21st of February. And show me say me I tell lie pie. You say you know the benefits. Do that. If you can't do that, shut the hell up. You the benefits like Amia. We're both on benefits together. Yes. And I accept it. Then again, I have an excuse. I have an excuse. What is your excuse? You are nothing but a damn scrounger. You're a scrounger. Your life been miserable a long time ago. Listen, you have nothing. You was born a papa. You're gonna die a freaking papa too. You're cruff. You're a damn cruff. Yes, you're a cruff. I conclude that you are a cruff. You are a cruff legend. You're a cruff. Your parents should be ashamed of you. And that means your parents should be ashamed of you. To know, say you have to come out to get up at daytime and take on woman and accost them. And yes, I'm gonna tell you, yes, I've cussed a few women to cuss out them backside. But you must understand, my cuss out was warranted. You have no valid reason. Your claim say why you're the pantina chin is because you have an anti-America or she trouble. So why you not bring your anti? Why you not bring your anti by your page and make your anti cussar so you can done it this and done, just done. Make your anti cussar and make sure about our business. But you don't do that. No, you take up that and claim to your cussar for your anti. Move up. You can fool those fools, but you cannot fool me. You're doing it because the planks they despise Tina Chin, and that is your only source of income. If it is for cost the woman, go away. You are a cruff. Black skin is a cruff. I say is a cruff. You was born a cruff, and you're gonna die a cruff too. And that I say I'm gonna take you back. If you're alleged auntie Utina Chin trouble, why could you not invite her and bring her? Seriously, see we can bring some of them nasty and scoopers people for your page. I don't want to pan backs together. Why you could not bring an auntie for the back so I'm actually angle, bangle, and triangle Tina Chin and the matter done this so? No, you have been taking a set by the woman. Okay, no say if you don't do that, the plug then they're not getting the money. Go away. You are a cruff. That's who you are, a cruff. And all of them over there paying you to customer, you them two is cruffs too. Them don't have no ever. Them like stagnant like dirty water, them stagnant. All of them. I said all of you are together. You understand? We are not the same. Yes, my cuss too out here, but my cuss out is because them trouble me. Person, them trouble me. Why have I never cussed Lady V? Why have I not cussed La Donna? Why have I not cussed Anna? Why have I not cussed Anna? Lady V, Michelle, who else do I don't want to hear? Why have I never cussed Chit Chat? Why have I never cussed them? Why me gonna cuss Gracie? Why me cuss 13? Why me cuss Tina Chin? Why me cuss Marcia? Why me cuss Lorian? Why me cuss them? Because them trouble me. Them trouble me first. So me hang with them. Yeah. You have to trouble me first before me hang you. You understand? And you have to trouble me in a manner that is not pleasing to me for me to come out and angle you. Understand? I don't care what I say. I don't care. Yes, me a man, and I should know better. But when they promote me, them all get a piece of my tongue. Them all face my wrath. Understand? I saw me stay. I don't care. Me not worship nobody out here. Me now worship nobody out here. Me not worship no. I'm not begging for nothing. Understand? I'm not doing too much. I'm not doing too much. A lot of you don't understand yourself. Now I want to take this thing way too personal for me. So go to one of the people in the yard. Leave me alone. It's time. It is time. It is a whole new year. It is time. Release me. Release me from the shackles. And Guan. If I release, Guan. Understand? Let's release each other from each other. Guan, I'm setting me free. Set me free too. Set me free. Please. Guan now, man. Guan. I am tired. I'm tired. I'm tired of all these damn broken bridges. I'm tired. I'm trying to mend myself and mend some fences when it to be mended. That's why I'm gonna come out and yes, we must cost them. And I know that I will never get an apology for most of them. I will never get an apology for most of them. Except for the ones who is strong with enough to know them wrong me and come do so. And then that them give me an apology and I accept. I'm gonna give them a too. Can we move on now? Can we move on now? It's a whole new year. Let us all move forward now in a meaningful. Let us move forward. Understand? Can we move forward now? Once and for all. Let us put this matter to bed. The black done gone, long time it gone. And you, Garfield, you're not gonna tell me, oh, I got blocked because she had enough. No, she blocked me because of Erica. Don't you dare again in your life tell me how to feel. Don't do that. Don't do that. I know why I got blocked. She knows why I got blocked. You don't. You're only speculating. You don't know nothing. Was it even there? I never know of you them. I didn't know of you them time. I knew nothing about you. That's you know say wrong me. That's in private the video in private them back now. And put them back on private. No, him know say him knows what he was hoping for. He never get it. Say in private them back again the videos. Don't videos them back private now, right? Why did he make them public in the beginning and that's like a posting that story? So if the people them can be can like him can lead the people to say, hello, I saw this I do dirty boy I get black. Why him do that? And is he not trying to instigate? Isn't that instigation? That's instigating, right? Am I out here instigating? Who exactly it is I'm out here instigating against? No one. So what was that boy's agenda? What was his his end goal? What was he trying to achieve? Oh, in one more hate me. When I forgot it on myself first. Because trust me, hate me or hate me not, me not bow down to none of you. I'm never gonna seek no relevance from any of you. I've been relevant. Nothing is wrong now. Nothing is wrong now if I go down a little bit. Nothing is wrong with that. It's okay to go down sometimes. If you do go back up there, you will appreciate it more. You understand? And yes, I've been up there for a very long time. I've had a lot of viral videos. Video got 2 million plus. Go sit down. Go and sit there. Nothing is wrong with me going down now. Make someone else now come shine. It's time for someone else to shine. It's okay. I am not complaining in any way, shape, or form. Maybe my time has expired now, and it's time for someone else to rise out of the ashes like a damn phoenix, and I accept that too. I accept that now. I'm not complaining. Why you making a mountain out of it? You're too damn bitter. That's your problem. I mean, also at the time with the other cloud, it bothered G. He was dying to reach on my level. It was bothering for you to reach up there. You're up there now. Enjoy it and relax. Enjoy it now and relax. You're doing too much. Enjoy it now and relax here. You're doing too much. Like you want to provoke people to wrath. What you can do your nastiness. You gotta do it. You gotta do it yourself, or get someone else to do it on your behalf. You're not gonna get it from me. Me and Donna is good now. We're good now. That's me. I can pull up our yard like a damn G. And Flint come into that box if a bone a little bit more. All she could have done was block me. That's all she could have done is block me. Right? That's all she could have done was block me. Did it happen? I don't know. Do I care? I don't give a shit because I left. Oh God. I don't care. You see, a lot of no on a priorities is messed up. Your priorities are really, really messed up. Because of social media and this rivalry thing on the priorities it really got distorted. Your priorities got really distorted a whole lot on taking this thing way too serious. And you know, at this point, looking out now, that used to be me. I was taking it way too serious, not realizing that a lot of things that happen out here perhaps was scripted. It was scripted. It was damn script. Wanna go away. Look how funny. Look how things funny turned. Look how funny things turned out. How funny things turned out. No one could tell that was not scripted. Do I care? I don't care. I really don't care. It's fine. God sits high and look low, and I'm not gonna make a mountain out of this. I refuse. I can't. I am fine. She's fine. We are all fine. We're all fine. You understand? Me know what they want. They want on to hate me too, but if that is what I want, hate me for the own agenda. Don't hate me because I what them must say. Hate because one want hate me for the own agenda. You understand? Just don't say at the end of that hatred, I won't give a shit. I actually won't give a flying shit. And that is just the truth. I'm glad I'm thinking these days. I know guys, me not begging for nothing. Me not beg no likes, me not beg no shit, me not beg nothing at all. Who want anything no want do that backside by yourself. Understand? And that's me there. I don't care. What Oliver to backside? They said no one can tell me that Tammy Fee is not the one on this damn account. I swear to God, Tammy Fee on account there now. This account is Tammy Fee on that backside. I swear to God. I swear to God. What a backside you want Mixup page. Oh, this shit is funny as hell. Ridiculous. Hilarious. Are you on a page with that? I don't say you on a page, you want it. Oh God, if I laugh, what a piece of something to backside. I went to see what Mixup page. Oh God. Oh shit. This is funny. This is hilarious. I swear to God, this is hilarious. We have to laugh. What do you have Mixup page? You see, I know for a fact it's a plank. And no one can tell me it's not you. It's you. Are you alright in stylist? Oh God. Mighty God. What? So what happened? All of you. You know what? I'm gonna let sleeping dogs lie. I'm gonna let sleeping dogs continue to sleep. Make a dog time to sleep. Make a dog time to sleep. Oh God, I bet the boy over here. I bet him over here. I screen my video. I bet you over here. I screen my damn video. Cause you're not gonna live far. You're workless. Bet you I screen my video. You see it? Me not see I scream, you know. You see it? Me tell you, now, you're too damn obsessed. You're too obsessed with me, my you. Go find one crutches for soccer. Go and find a crutches to soccer. You understand? Yes, me a cripple, but you're not a cripple. Which means you should be out right now. You should have in your bed, or wrap up with your woman, a soccer, crutches. But no, me said God never make mistakes. Me said God never did turn if you into a damn something there for no reason. Yeah. God made no mistakes with you. He don't make no mistakes. You told me I'm obsessed. Go and find a life. Go and find a life. Fishing. Go find my life. Yes. Even better. It's the same. It's the same. Omar can change. You can change too. You can change too. You can change as well if you want to change. You never know. It is all in the mind. It's all up here, so. Just find one girl we really like. So yo, me like that girl, you know, and work with her. I'm telling you, you must switch. You must switch. And that's the truth. I'm not care what you say. God made no mistakes. But you play me. You damn demons. So you cross where I chat about now. You know what? Pot a cusketter. Hello. I have had the privilege of banging a lot of girls. One time, me in one room, my brother in our next room, our next girl, in fact, our cousin. You hear me? I have had the privilege of banging a lot of girls, unlike you. You was born a fish, or you're gonna die a fish. You have to shame yourself. Go away. You